if you really think about it, in crypto, you really can't do much fundamental analysis like reviewing financials, mainly because like what financials can Bitcoin have? So at the very least, you should understand a little bit of technical analysis to have an idea of where it could possibly go in the long term or short term. And here's what I see. Right now, currently, Bitcoin is testing the bull market support band. And not only that, it's breaking what looks like a possible head and shoulders pattern. And the measured move, if you guys don't know, you take it from the highest point to the neckline, take that measurement and place it on the break point, which is here, which if it actually completes the move, it should go around 91,000-ish, right? But usually head and shoulders pattern don't really complete the move to the measured move. So what else would I be looking at to get a better idea of if it's going to really complete the measured move? The next thing I would look at is the 50 weekly moving average. So if you go to the weekly time frame and you can see the 50 weekly moving average is currently right now at around 98,905, right? But as time goes by, I'm pretty sure it's going to go higher. So maybe around 101-ish. If it breaks that, which would also correspond to this old parallel, which honestly is old, so it doesn't really have much weight, but I like to, keep it there for reference. But if it breaks that, and on top of that, somehow ends up going lower and ends up breaking this huge upsloping wedge, oh man, if it breaks this right here, that's bad. And not only that, keep in mind, if you look at the weekly candle, you did put a weekly topping tail. And on top of that, if you switch to the monthly, that's one nasty looking monthly topping tail right there. However, you did technically get another topping tail right here, and it still went higher. And so topping tail wise, it does have some weight, but it's not like end all be all. So just pointing it out for your reference. But usually if you have a monthly topping tail, you usually do see downside moves, possibly for the next couple of months. But with crypto, you never know. This is what I see on the charts. Just wanted to give you an update. Hopefully you guys found this video useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.